While Xiaomi may unveil the Xiaomi 16 series in September as the world's first smartphones powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset, October could see the launch of the Redmi K90 series in China. Tipster Digital Chat Station shared new information via a Weibo post, revealing key battery and charging specifications for the upcoming Redmi K90 and K90 Pro models. The Redmi K90 will likely feature a 7,100 mAh battery, while the K90 Pro may come with a slightly larger 7,500 mAh unit. Both devices are expected to use single-cell silicon-carbon battery technology and support fast 100W charging. The Redmi K90 Pro will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 and K90 Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. The series may feature a 6.59-inch flat RGB OLED LTPS screen offering a 2K resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The Pro model is expected to arrive with an ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor, dual stereo speakers, a premium metal midframe, and periscope telephoto camera. The Redmi K90 and K90 Pro could be rebranded as the Poco F8 Pro and Poco F8 Ultra for international markets. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.